How to fix Windows Online Troubleshooting Service is disabled. 1. Check Windows activation status. 2. Enable the allow users to access online troubleshooting content on Microsoft servers from the Troubleshooting Control Panel, via the Windows Online Troubleshooting Service, WOTS, Policy at Computer Configuration Administrative Templates System Troubleshooting and Diagnostics Scripted Diagnostics in Group Policy Editor. 3. Enter 23C00 into the state D word at H key underscore current underscore user software Microsoft Windows current version with Rust Trust Provider Software Publishing in Registry Editor. 4. File checker, and DISM, deployment image servicing and management, scan as admin. Commands include, sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan healthdism/online/cleanup image/check healthdism/online/cleanup image/restore health 5. Check Windows services. Start the following services: background intelligent transfer service, cryptographic services, delivery optimization, diagnostic execution service, diagnostic policy service, diagnostic service host, diagnostic system host, Windows management instrumentation, Windows modules installer, Windows time. 6. Disable Microsoft Defender firewall temporarily. 7. Clear temporary files. 8. Troubleshoot the issue in Clean Boot. 9. Install Windows updates.